how can we convert our 2D floor plans into 3D? First step is to go to Camera, Standard Views, and then Top, and then switch to the hand, drag it to the lower left-hand corner. I'm going to zoom out some and drag a little bit more because we want a lot of space for when we stretch out the floor plan. Next, go to File, Import, and you're going to look for one, and I'm going to do Charlene's. You're going to click once, but we're going to need to make this floor plan at least 3 times the original size. I'm going to click View, Face Style, X-Ray, and then I'm going to zoom in some, and that looks good. For this exercise, I'm just using the pencil tool, and I'm going to start by outlining the perimeter, and you notice that her wall and the edge of her perimeter is not perpendicular. So we're just going to have to fudge along the edges a little bit. That's okay. Next, I'm going to draw the interior of the apartment. And let's see, let me press Escape. Click once. It's not working. What? Okay, so you can see it's a little bit tricky at times. So I'm just doing the outside. And there we go. Okay, so now I'm looking at the divisions between her rooms, and she just drew a line. So I'm going to have to invent some walls because I'm not sure where they actually are. So I'm using 2 lines because we know that's what's necessary to make the walls. And again, I'm just using the pencil tool. Don't worry about the doorways. We're going to do the doorways in a little bit. Alright, I'm not sure if this is exactly what her apartment looks like, but we can modify it later. The next step, really critical, is to use the eraser tool. Because if we don't, then these walls will not raise. So oops, too much, Control Z to go back. I'm erasing this line. And we can't have any lines separating the walls of the house. So I'm erasing, Okay, I'm going to zoom out. I think that's it. Now I'm going to orbit out. I'm going to switch to the push-pull. Click, and I'm going to drag it up. That looks pretty good. I'm going to switch now from X-ray to standard, and because I no longer need the floor plan, I'm going to click on the selection tool, click on the page itself, and press delete. Next, I can go in and start adding components. I can add posters and paintings to the walls, and I can add doors, and we know that we can add doors by using the rectangle tool. Outlining the top, and then pushing down using the push-pull. If we need to open up the door a little bit, we can simply do this. And I'm going to go through and continue adding doors to this house.